But today, as you seen from the thumbnail, we will be adding a cold air intake to Project SCARR. So click the link in the description to watch more videos from the SCARR playlist. But today we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Get that red on there, man. So before we get started, first thing I want to do is go ahead and give y'all the before and give y'all the after, the sound clips of what it sounds like with and without the cold air intake. All right, let's start tearing this bad boy apart. Let's get it. Waste, I gotta work in a minute. So slam this intake on real quick and get to work. I'm in the church, relax. Can you not play the little boy in the we don't listen to rats. Get it out of there. Get it out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Stop it. One hand, you get it out. Come on. Do it. Get in. And duh, it's not new, but who cares, man? Just an intake, ain't gonna do nothing anyway. Okay, I had forgot to put this little sensor in, so slide that sensor in and then I can put everything together. Whew, don't forget that part. All right, so we all hooked up. See, check that battery terminal off, reset the computer, go ahead, plug that back in, fire it up, see how it's running. All right, man, so that's it for today's video, man. As y'all see, fresh cold air intake, everything running good. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like, hit the subscribe, man, and tap into that new edge content. Watch the playlist, go through it, watch all the videos, like them, subscribe, check my boy SUPERSON out, check my boy ANTstayrollin out. PVO, we on the rise, man. Check out everybody, check the IGs, check out SCARR. Check out the red emblem, man. Come on now. We out of here.